You are torturing us. You think you are keeping us cozy, but you are actually freezing our joints and destroying our kidneys. That heater, it's a burn trap. That floor, it's arthritis waiting to happen. You think you are being kind, but you are actually making 8 dangerous mistakes right now. Today, we are exposing the silent winter killers that send thousands of cats to the emergency room. If you love us, put down the hot cocoa and listen. Welcome to Weepy and Wacky Psychology. Mistake number 1. You force us to live on the ground. You walk around wearing socks. We are barefoot. Our toe beans are in direct contact with your freezing cold tile and hardwood floors 24 hours a day. You might think, so what? It's just a floor. But science says the air temperature at floor level is the draft zone.
Thermal stratification
When we sleep on the
causes
floor
heat
in
to
winter,
rise, leaving the floor
our core
much
body
cooler.
temperature drops.
As you can see,
If you have a senior cat, basically anyone over age 7, this is torture. Cold is the #1 trigger for arthritis flare-ups. We aren't limping because we are old. We are limping because our bones hurt. Stop throwing our beds on the floor. Elevate us. Put our bed on a chair or by a heated mat. Get us off the ice. Mistake number 2. Believing in the magic coat. You touch our fur and it feels thick. You assume we are insulated. Here's a biology fact. Fur is not a wetsuit. And it is definitely not windproof. Our ears, paws, and noses have almost zero protection. When the temperature drops, our body pulls blood away from our extremities to protect our organs. If you turn the thermostat down to save money while you go to work, you are freezing our immune systems. Cold cat is a stressed cat, and a stressed cat gets sick. Keep the house warm, you cheapskate. Mistake number 3. The water strike. This is the one that actually kills us. In the winter, our thirst drive shuts off. Don't feel thirsty when it's cold. But the winter air in your house is drier than the Sahara Desert because of your heater. We are losing moisture just by breathing, but we aren't drinking enough to replace it. This leads to chronic dehydration. Crystals form in our urine. Urethras get blocked. Kidneys fail. You need to trick us. Let's add warm water to our wet food to make cat soup. Hydration isn't optional. It's the only thing keeping our kidneys from shutting down. Mistake number 4. The deceptive glow. We love heat. If you turn on a space heater, we will sit 2 inches away from it. You think, he's warming his buns. The vet thinks, that cat is about to catch on fire. Our fur insulates our skin from feeling heat immediately. By the time our skin registers pain, we have already suffered a thermal burn. Do not let us sleep directly against a heat source. Move our bed at least 3 feet away. Do not use your human heating pad on us. It gets too hot and you will turn us into rotisserie chicken. Mistake number 5. The comfort food trap. You look at us in winter and say, oh, he needs a little extra layer of fat to stay warm. No, we don't. We live indoors. We have a roof. We do not need blubber. Winter is the season of the bulge. We move less because it's dark. If you feed us extra treats, we are going to balloon. Rapid weight gain puts massive stress on our joints, which are already hurting from the cold. If we are moving less, we should eat less. Don't let us hibernate into obesity. Mistake number 6. Letting us roam. If you let your cat outside in winter, the specific danger is the car. A freshly parked car is a warm, metal cave. Cats will crawl up into the wheel well or under the hood to sleep on the engine block. We don't need to tell you what happens when you turn the key the next morning. If you have outdoor cats, bang on your hood before you start your car, every single time. The call of the wild is not worth a nap in a fan belt. Mistake number 7. The sweet killer. Antifreeze leaks onto driveways in winter. Here's the cruel twist of nature. It tastes like maple syrup to us. If we walk through a puddle of it and then lick our paws, that tiny amount is enough to cause total kidney failure within 24 hours. If you use antifreeze, clean it up. It is a chemical weapon, and we are heat-seeking missiles for it. Mistake number 8. Skipping the checkup. You think, oh, it's winter. No fleas, no ticks. I'll take him to the vet in the spring. Wrong. Winter is when chronic conditions get worse. The cold aggravates everything. Because we are predators, we hide pain. We don't cry. Get quiet. If we are acting too quiet or too sleepy, don't assume it's the weather. Assume we are hurting. So, here's your winter mission. Get us off the cold floor. Add water to our food. Move the space heater back.
Get out of the car.
And for the love of
Open the door
tuna,
right now.
bang on your car hood. We can't tell you when we are shivering. Can't tell you when our joints ache. We only have you. Be our guardian, not just our roommate. If you want to keep us alive until spring, make sure you subscribe to Weepy and Wacky. Now, go turn up the thermostat. It's freezing in here.